Let's talk about 5 ways to say no politely in English. Do you feel uncomfortable by saying no in English? Of course, you don't want to say yes all the time, but you don't also want to sound arrogant or insolent by saying no. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how you can say no politely in English. Hello everybody, it's Kosi, your English coach. In today's lesson, you will learn how to say no in a polite, simple and confident way. I will explain each expression clearly, then I will give you some recitation so that you understand exactly and how to use them. But before continuing the video, let me remind you this. Learning a language is a journey. It takes time and effort. But if you keep practicing, I promise you, you will get better. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and don't give up. I know you can do it. Now let's go back to the video. The first expression to say no politely is I'm sorry, I can't. Once again, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. This is simple, direct, and honest way to refuse something. It is polite because you say I'm sorry, and it is also clear because there is no confusion. We often use this expression when we want to say no without giving too many explanations or detail. Imagine this situation. It is a Friday evening at work. You are very tired and you are planning to go home in order to rest and to relax. But just before leaves the office, your colleagues come to you and say, "Hey man, please, could you help me to finish the report before we go home?" And you feel a little guilty, but you know that you are very tired and you really need to rest. So you want to refuse, you want to say no to your colleague. What would you say? If you say no directly, it will sound arrogant or insolent. So what will you say? Instead of saying no, you can simply say, "I'm sorry, I can't." I'm sorry, I can't. Simple, alright? The next expression to say no politely is I had loved to, but I can't. I have loved to, but I can't. I have loved to, but I can't. This expression is soft and friendly. First, you show that you like the idea, and second, you simply say no. This is perfect when you don't want to hurt someone's feeling. Let's say, for example, you receive a message from your friend. The friend invites you for a birthday party this weekend, and you really like the friend, and you will enjoy going. But unfortunately, you already promised your family that you will visit them on that same day. So you want to say no to your friend in order to be able to go and visit your family. But by the same time, if you say no directly, it can hurt your friend's feeling. So what would you say? Instead of saying no immediately, you can simply say, I have loved to, but I can't. I have loved to, but I can't. Simple, alright? It shows that you like the idea, but you still say no politely. The next expression is maybe next time. Maybe next time. This expression is a positive way to refuse something. You don't say a strong no. Instead, you leave the door open for another opportunity in the future. Let's say, for example, at work, your colleagues are planning to go out for lunch together. So they invite you to go and lunch together. Unfortunately, you are very busy because you have an important task and a deadline to finish. So you don't want to join them, you want to say no. Instead of saying no, you can simply say, "Okay guys, but maybe next time. Okay guys, but maybe next time. Okay guys, but maybe next time." Simple, alright? It makes you sound politely and friendly. The following expression to say no politely is I appreciate it, but I have to pass. I appreciate it, but I have to pass. Once again, I appreciate it, but I have to pass. This expression is a polite way and a respectful way to say no to something. First of all, you show the appreciation. Second, you recognize the effort. Then you simply say no. Let's say, for example, your manager offers you an opportunity to work on an important project, and you really like the opportunity and you will enjoy to work on that project. But you are very busy and you cannot manage two projects at the same time. So you want to say no to your boss. But at the same time, if you say no immediately, it will make you sound arrogant or insolent. So what will you say? Instead of saying no immediately, you can simply say, okay boss, I appreciate it, but I have to pass. I appreciate it, but I have to pass. It makes you sound respectful and it shows that you appreciate the offers, you appreciate the opportunity, but you still say no. And to finish, the last one is thanks, but it is not for me. Thanks, but it is not for me. This expression is a simple, honest and direct way to refuse something. Here, you are not saying that the idea is bad, but what we are trying to say is that maybe the idea is not good for you, is not right for you. Maybe it is right for them, but for you, it is not right. So let's take this example. Let's say, for example, your colleagues invite you for a weekend activity like hiking, playing, or do something else. And maybe you don't like the activity at all. And you don't want to pretend. But at the same time, you don't also want to criticize it. But you want to say no. So what would you say? If you say no directly, it will make you sound arrogant. So what would you say? Instead of saying no, you can simply say, okay, thanks guys, but it's not for me. Okay, thanks guys, but it's not for me. Thanks, but it's not for me. Thanks guys, but it's not for me. Simple. It makes you sound respectful and you keep your friendship with your colleagues. So here are 5 ways or 5 expressions to say no politely in English. Hope this video helped you to become confident in English. If it is, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, see you next time.